Hello people, of the many videos I've made, this one is particularly special to me because uh, for 14 years of my life I wore glasses such that I could not manage to, it's like first thing in the morning when you wake up, you just need to wear your glasses to be able to see the world. But today, when I'm in my 30s, I'm able to drive without my glasses, and this has been such an achievement really for me. So basically there are these certain eye healing techniques that I learned from different books, and it's been a journey for me to have good eyesight. So I conduct these eye healing classes in that's what anyone interested can probably just write in the comment section below. And it's I just charge 200 bucks for a 1 hour session, and if it's a big class then it's just 100 bucks for the 1 hour session. I think each eyeball you can spare 100 rupees for that, because if I were to charge even lower, it loses its value. It's like, but it's just and I won't even take up too much of your time. Like, there are these free seminar classes, coaching or whatever for the whole day and all. I don't believe in that. Yeah, time is also very important for people. You can't expect someone to, give away the entire Sunday evening, or many of these seminar classes are like that. But this is just a 1 hour class, so anyone interested can just comment in the comment section below, and I will personally teach you all those techniques that I have learned from the 1500 odd books in my personal collection. So of all the videos I made, this one is special. So all you people out there who want good eyesight, do let me know. And it's a journey, but it's a journey worth undertaking. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.